Hello and welcome. Today we are going to dispel some common misconceptions about what an attorney does in the EB2 National Interest Waiver petition process, and also outline the critical task that you as the applicant must manage. While having an attorney can significantly enhance your chances of success by ensuring that the legal accuracy of your document is legit, their role does not encompass all aspects of the application process. And so today we are here to clarify what an attorney does and what you need to do. Stay tuned. For first-time viewers, the EB2 National Interest Waiver is a pathway under the U.S. immigration system designed for individuals who are either holding an advanced degree or possesses exceptional ability in the sciences, the art, or business, and they can prove that the activities or proposed endeavor will substantially benefit the U.S. national interest. This unique route allows you to apply for green card without the need for a specific job offer or labor certification, which is typically required under the employment-based green card categories. Now, to qualify for an EB2 National Interest Waiver, you must meet specific criteria, which is established by the USCIS, and these are divided into 3 prongs. For more information on these prongs and the required documentations to meet these prongs, check out my content on Insider's Tips on Key Supporting Documents for EB2 National Interest Waiver Success. Now, note that each of these prongs requires substantial documentation and evidence, which is where your active involvement in this process becomes very, very crucial. So again, stay tuned whilst we dig into the critical tasks or roles that you are supposed to undertake when you start your petition process using an attorney. Many applicants believe once they hire an attorney, their work is done. I pay you X amount of money, so get me my green card. It does not work that way, my friend. While attorneys handle the legal framing and submission of your petition, much of the content and groundwork depends on you. In fact, in the process, 80 to 90% of the work is done by you. So let's go through some of these tasks that you need to actively manage to ensure a comprehensive and a compelling application. The first task is gathering documentations. You must collect all relevant personal and professional documents, including your academic records, employment verification, assuming you are employed, and evidence of your achievement, as well as any other document necessary for a successful petition. Now, these documents are the backbone of your petition and must be provided to your attorney in a timely fashion or timely manner. Another responsibility of yours is recommendation letters. Majority of the EB2 NIW petition requires some form of recommendation letters as a way to provide more evidence of your exceptional ability, as well as evidence to substantiate your endeavor is of national importance. Although an attorney can guide you on who might be a good reference, obtaining strong letter of recommendation is your responsibility. You need to reach out to your network and also explain your situation to them, because most of the time these people don't actually know why you need these letters. And also make sure that these letters strongly endorses your qualifications and national importance of your work. So remember, letters of recommendations, attorneys do not draft them. What they do is they guide you into your network who should be the best person to reach out to, and it is your sole responsibility to make sure these letters are ready and handed over to your attorney. As the saying goes, nobody knows you like you do. So drafting a personal statement that captures your professional journey and aspiration is primarily your task. Not only that, although depending on your area of field, the attorney may have a good sense of what your proposed endeavor would be, it is also your responsibility to draft a very convincing and compelling proposed endeavor or an economic impact statement. By that I mean knowing yourself and what you intend to achieve, depending on your focus area. It is your responsibility to document these and how your proposed endeavor, your skill set, your background would benefit the US. Your attorney would refine it, but the initial and most personal input must come from you. So again, regarding proposed endeavor or economic impact statement, as some lawyers or attorneys might call it, it is your responsibility to get this document in the most convincing and compelling way possible. Their only responsibility here is to refine it and then make it more compelling as they make the petition for you. While your attorney will draft the legal documents, you must review everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. Your insights are very crucial in ensuring that your petition reflects your true professional profile and contributions. This is a very important task that most of you ignore, because most of the time what the attorneys do is they have a template that they use, and so all they have to do is just refine it or fine-tune it to suit your case. So in most cases, you would find glimpses of somebody else's names or information in there. So it is very important for you to review this draft that they sent to you. There's always a higher chance that in the first or initial draft, you will find an error. Sometimes it could be very important information like your social security, or even the spelling of your name, or even sometimes the arrangement of your name. For us coming from Africa, some of us have very long names. So sometimes you find the attorneys putting some of your names as middle names, whereas it is like a surname. So again, this is a very important task that do not ignore or do not take for granted. Always review the draft that the attorney sent to you, and do not rely on them because you pay them money and you think it is their responsibility. In fact, they are doing you good for sending out a draft version for you to review. Keeping your attorney informed of any new achievements or changes in your career, or even additional project or documentation, is very essential. Effective communications ensures your petition remains up to date and as strong as possible. For some of you, the first time you reach out to an attorney, your chances were like say 80%, and as you progress through the process, you begin to improve upon your chances by enrolling or being joining a professional body, or probably like writing a certification. You don't wait for an attorney to reach out to you to ask you what's up. Are there any new changes in your professional life? You have to proactively reach out to them to inform them about these new changes. Most importantly, when you change careers or you change job whilst you are in this process, chances are that your proposed endeavor captured what you were doing in your previous job. Regardless of the role, there might be some new changes or twists in what you are doing. Now, it is up to you to reach out to the attorney in a timely manner and fashion to be able to refine or fine-tune your proposed endeavor. So again, do not wait for an attorney to reach out to you to ask you what's up, what is new. Proactively reach out and inform them of any changes in your professional life. In conclusion, understanding the delineation of duties between you and your attorney is very crucial for a successful EB2 National Interest Waiver petition. While attorneys provide indispensable legal expertise, your proactive involvement is very vital. By collaborating closely and fulfilling your responsibilities, you enhance your chances of successful outcome. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your petition.